Hi there and welcome to Healthy Choices. Get ready and make sure to stay until the end because in this video, we are going to talk about is spirulina good for you? 7 reasons to try it. Before getting started with this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel to never miss a new video and give us a like in the end if you like this video. What is spirulina? Spirulina is a natural algae, cyanobacteria, powder that is incredibly high in protein and a good source of antioxidants, B vitamins and other nutrients. When harvested correctly from non-contaminated ponds and bodies of water, it is one of the most potent nutrient sources available. It is largely made up of protein and essential amino acids, and is typically recommended to vegetarians due to its high natural iron content. The high concentration of protein and iron also makes it ideal during pregnancy, after surgery, or anytime the immune system needs a boost. Benefits of spirulina. Though it does taste like pond scum, spirulina has some great health-boosting qualities. 1. Most nutrient-dense food on the planet. The concentration of protein and vitamins in spirulina has led many to classify it as the most nutrient-dense food on the planet. Compared to other foods gram for gram, it lives up to this reputation and is a great source of protein. It is considered a complete source of high-quality protein and is often compared to eggs for the amount of protein per gram. The protein in spirulina is highly usable and has a net protein utilization rate of between 50 to 61%. Vitamin B1, also called thiamine. This vitamin is necessary for the digestion of fats and proteins. It is often taken for increased energy, eye health, brain function and for improving nerve functioning. Iron. Spirulina is a favorite food for vegetarians and vegans because it is one of the best plant sources of iron. Even for those who consume meat, it has a highly absorbable form of iron that is gentle on the digestive system. Calcium. Spirulina is also incredibly high in calcium with over 26 times the calcium in milk. Spirulina is a great source of other nutrients including, it contains vitamins B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, B3, nicotinamide, B6, pyridoxine, B9, folic acid, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin A and vitamin E. It is also a source of potassium, calcium, chromium, copper, iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, selenium, sodium and zinc. Spirulina contains many pigments which may be beneficial and bioavailable. Important note: contrary to many claims, spirulina is not a good source of vitamin B12 for humans. While it does contain a form of B12, it is pseudovitamin B12 which is not absorbable or effective in humans according to studies. 2. Contains gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, and omega-3s. Spirulina is 65% protein and amino acids including the essential fatty acid gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, which has gotten a lot of attention for its anti-inflammatory properties, especially when taken with other quality omega-3 supplements. GLA is difficult to find in a food source and normally has to be created by the body. Spirulina is one of the few foods with a natural GLA content. I suspect that the benefits of GLA in spirulina are even more than what the studies have found since these studies often use vegetable oils for their GLA source, and the other inflammatory compounds in vegetable oils can interfere with the anti-inflammatory ability. Besides GLA, spirulina also contains omega-3, 6 and 9s and is especially high in omega-3s. 3. May help balance blood sugar. Studies show that spirulina may be especially helpful in balancing blood sugar. Other studies show that it not only lowers blood sugar but may also lower HbA1c, which is a long-term marker of blood sugar levels. 4. Powerful antioxidants. Antioxidants are powerful substances that protect our cells from damage. Thanks to decades of research, many of us understand the importance of consuming enough antioxidants from natural sources, and spirulina is a great choice. The antioxidant that makes spirulina unique is called phycocyanin, which is a potent anti-inflammatory. This spirulina was tested by an independent laboratory and found to have an ORAC, oxygen radical absorbance capacity, of over 24,000 which is 4x the ORAC score of blueberries. The ORAC score is generally used to measure antioxidant ability and concentration in different foods. 5. May help those with allergies. Some research has suggested that spirulina may be helpful for those with allergies and allergic reactions. This is likely because it reduces inflammation that leads to nasal congestion and other issues. In studies, those who took spirulina noticed a reduction in nasal congestion, itching, and sneezing. 6. Helps remove heavy metals. Spirulina combined with heavy metals in the body and help remove them. It is also extremely high in chlorophyll, which helps remove toxins from the blood and boost the immune system. In fact, one study found that 500 milligrams of spirulina daily combined with zinc supplementation was enough to reduce arsenic toxicity by almost half. Emerging evidence also suggests that it binds with radioactive isotopes and may be useful for radioactivity exposure or radiation therapy. 7. Muscle and endurance benefits. Spirulina is known to increase fat burning during exercise. Its high antioxidant content makes it beneficial in reducing exercise-induced oxidation, which leads to muscle fatigue and inability to gain muscle. In fact, studies found that it increased endurance and decreased muscle damage from exercise. Cautions on spirulina: those with phenylketonuria, PKU, should consult with a doctor before taking, as it does contain that amino acid. Those on any type of anticoagulation medicine should consult with a doctor before beginning, or stopping, taking spirulina. Some people with autoimmune disease do not do well with this supplement. If you are pregnant, nursing, or have any medical condition, check with your doctor first, as it is often not recommended for pregnant or nursing women. Downsides of spirulina. As mentioned above, this beneficial algae is gram for gram one of the most nutritious foods on the planet. It is also probably one of the most expensive when compared gram for gram. Many articles about its benefits show the nutrition data per ounce. The problem is that 1 ounce contains about 28 grams and is much higher than normal, or safe, daily intake would be. It costs up to 30x as much as dairy or meat protein per gram and is not a viable primary protein source for this reason. How to take spirulina. Spirulina powder, the least expensive but has a strong flavor, and spirulina capsule, small, portable tablets. Very easy to take and no unpleasant taste. Thank you for watching this video and making it to the end. Check out some other videos from Healthy Choices and make sure to like this video and comment to let us know you made it to the end.